I'm Ethan, and this is my science project. We're going to use eggs, water, and salt. Today we're going to learn about density. What is density? Density is about the thickness in water. Let's see how the egg reacts with plain water. You see, the egg has more density than the water, so that's why it floats down. So we're gonna have to make the water have more dense to make the egg float. So we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of salt. Now we're gonna mix it so it can have more dense. That should be good enough. Now we're gonna add some more water so there can be a thick layer beneath the lighter layer. But you have to carefully pour it in. Now we're gonna put the egg in the more dense water and see what happens. As you can see, the plain water has less dense because the egg has more dense. But as you can see, salt makes the water have more dense than the egg, so it makes it float. In conclusion, we all learned today that putting salt in the water makes it more dense.